lotion. Kasi uso ang dengue.
Kanina, hopya.
Okay na yung hopya.
Or retirement gift. Kasi nakikita namin kayo mahilig kayo
Hopya yan, hopya. Hopya like it.
Hope you like it, sir.
Hope you like it.
Sige, buksan natin, sir. Sige.
Wow.
Hopya.
From the Filipino, marami yan, sir.
Malaman mo sa ano, sa,
12,000 Filipino.
alam mo sa packaging pa lang,
Nakatanda.
ang mahal ito kayo.
Filipinos.
Itong Lugin, ano lang ito, karton lang ito eh.
Hopya nga, hopya.
Di ganito ha. I'm just wondering why there is such a is this a pretended ano o
Pretended, sir.
ouch sa tao sa lahat mo.
No, sir. Alam mo, sir.
Alam mo ng Pilipino uso eh.
Hindi.
Sir, if there are letters, and she's one of those who screened letters, sir, ang daming nag-contribute for House of Hope. Kasi isang ano lang yan, isang thank you PR, salamat PRRT effort. Tapos, nakabigay pa kami sa House of Hope, nakabili pa kami niyan. Sir, kung makikita mo yung mga letters na ito lang ang kaya ko, 100 pesos. Pero gusto ko lang masabi, wala akong, sir, parang there's a way, parang they wanted to show you their gratefulness and they don't know how. Parang ito physical, the manifestation of their gratitude. Hindi nila alam how to express. So this is it. Oo. You don't even know their
Sila talaga,
names.
sila.
Parang they don't need to show you.
Maganda.
Sila talaga nagpupumili.
Sana style mo yan, sir.
Maganda. Maski ako ano man, pero para sa akin kasi okay naman ito.
Hindi, pero sir, seryoso, sir. Mars, share mo yung ibang nabasa mo. Sir, mga ano,
Pasa mo na lang sa lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, lang pa-picture na lang, pa-picture rapat.
sexy, sir.
Sir, paulit na po yung maraming salamat po.
Yun.
Ang maganda kasi may medium ng pag-ano na tao. Hindi naman sa newspaper, hindi naman sa ano lang sa
Common
Word of
tao
mouth.
po.
Word of mouth lang yun, sir. Word of mouth.
Lahat.
salamat.
So, ang daming nag-attend ng Salamat PRD. Kahit mabilis lang yung ilang days lang in-organize yun. So, mahal na mahal ka talaga ng... So, 87%.
Ganito. Yan, isa yan. Ayan, kasi, ayan, anong nagagawa ko sa buhay ko?
A lot po,
Ganun
sir.
Pinagsilbihan mo kami siya.
Fishing. Sobra-sobra po. Sir,
Pinagsilbihan mo kami ng totoo.
ako 24 pa lang. Pero ang dami, sir, sa amin na parang this is the first time we felt like our government cared for us. I mean, no offense. No, kasi nga yung pa ako hindi nag-offend. No offense to the previous, but parang for many of us, this is the first time we felt that there was a government really caring for us. In many ways, sir, for some it's the drug war. For some, it's the build. And ang daming reasons. And it's all in
NPA.
this book. As yung segue. Na maraming, yung ibang OFW, sir, marami dyan, sir, OFWs nagbigay kahit na, alam mo, hindi naman sila mayaman, but nagbigay sila kasi na-feel nila na, lalo yung one-stop shop, yung parang na-feel nila na parang, sir, your promise was a comfortable life for all Filipinos. That's what, you didn't want a grand, you didn't promise